Fuel prices have started coming down on some forecourts in response to fresh excise cuts that came into effect at midnight. Under the measures, taxes on a litre of both diesel and petrol have been reduced by 10 cents until the end of July. However, the industry says it could take time for the reductions to feed through countrywide.
Fresh relief for motorists, with the second round of government fuel excise cuts, which took effect at midnight, feeding through to pump prices. Diesel fell back to around €2.08 per litre in many areas today, while petrol dropped to around €1.82 a litre. Under the latest measures, excise duty on both diesel and petrol has reduced by a further 10 cents per litre, while excise on green diesel has fallen by another 2.4 cents. A planned increase in carbon taxes on fuel due in May has also been deferred until October's budget. The reductions will remain in place until the end of July.
I just waited a few days. I was hoping the petrol and the diesel will come back and I can top it up some other day. So
good to see the prices.
Yeah, it is.
I've driven a BMW 330D, so it's a 3 litre, so it takes a lot. It's just put full about 125 €125 full tank, so it's a lot if I'm in college up and down 5 days a week. So
any fuel leaving a depot since midnight has been subject to lower excise rates. However, Fuels for Ireland says disrupted conditions on forecourts means some fuel delivered after the change would have had a higher excise paid on it, and that while the reduction is coming through, there'll be a lag as lower duty fuel works its way through the system. The disruption caused by blockades of 2 fuel depots and the country's only oil refinery last week led to more than 600 service stations running dry. That figure has now halved as fuel supply lines recover. The latest fuel tax cuts follow a first round of measures last month, with the overall excise reduction since then reaching 32 cents on a litre of diesel and 27 cents on petrol. Despite this, though, pump prices are still well above where they were at the start of March. Angus Cox, RTE News.